So today we're doing another video of this Minecraft. I'm just gonna give you guys a tour of my survival thing. Let's go in. So I created hello. Okay. Sorry for the long wait. Okay, first this is my farming area, and then here's my cool base with some light, and then here's the interior of my bed, lighting for my upgrade gear, and then the anvil on my enchantment table, my furnaces with the blast furnace. And then this is, don't mind the background noise, I'm just trying, hello. And then here's my cobblestone room with a lot of cobblestone. And then here's my diorite room, like this. And then here's my granite room. And then this is just my oak planks room. Just put all of it. And then this is my dirt room with a lot of dirt. And then here's my stuff where I keep all of my belongings, even with the iron stuff. It's my chest plate. It's the chest plate. I did the iron chest plate too. Oh yeah, let me just put an iron there. Then let me just go to the junk area because there's the iron chest plate. Okay, let me just put that in there. And then this is my arrow chest because arrows are kind of not that useful. So I'm just gonna put all of my junk. My stick there. No. Ayo. Then let me go to my rotten flesh junk area. Oh man, it's not that. And then meanwhile, here's my new chest room with my crafting table stuff. Do you want me to do a role play? Like and subscribe, please. That's all it. Bye. Bye-bye.